गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग सब? होप सब ठीक होंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस डे विथ अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी। आई थिंक कोरोना जा रहा है, सबने वैक्सीन ले ली है, बहुत जल्दी अच्छे दिन फिर वापस आने वाले हैं। समय व्यर्थ ना करते हुए मैं आज का मेरा टॉपिक स्टार्ट करता हूं। ऑलवेज ट्रस्ट योर कॉम्पिटेंसीज। Again, the format is same. I'll be telling a story, and then I'll be developing a morale and an interpretation and showing my own perception. For today's topic, I feel that there might be some individuals who may disagree with what I'm telling, but still my work is to just flow my interpretation, flow my morale, and if you have any feedback, any comment, please contact me, and it will be helpful for me for my further videos also. And yeah, I got good amount of feedback, so I'm very happy and thankful to all those who are giving me feedback, which gives me a chance to improve. So let's start my topic. Okay, it's a story of a particular individual who applied for the job of an office boy. Okay, एक इंसान ऑफिस बॉय की जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करता है। ओके, वो जॉब के लिए जाता है, उसका इंटरव्यू होता है, and the interviewer asks, okay, then you can join the job, but you have to finish some formalities, some form filling and some admin work to be done. So go out to the HR department and get it done. He went to the HR department and then said that, yeah, I am appointed as an office boy in this organization, so please fill up my all details and let me know what am I supposed to do. So his roles and responsibilities were explained to him, and then he was told that give me your email ID. He said, I am not having an email ID. ये टाइम थोड़ा पहले का है, at that time just computers आए ही थे, okay, and emails and all those things were just started. He said, I am not having an email ID. Oh, you are not having an email ID? Then what you are doing here? Just go out. You are not fit for this particular job. And he was surprised. Just not having an email ID, restrict me to work. He just went out. He said, okay, no problem, no problem, it's fine. He was in need of a job. He said, I'll try some other job. But before that, he said, let me try to do some business. Now, he had some dollars with him, some $50, $60 with him. He purchased some apples, okay, and start selling them door to door. अलग-अलग घर पे जाता, वो बेचने की कोशिश करता. By evening, he made some money. He said, let me reinvest the same next day. And he continued this process for weeks. And he was able to spare a reasonable amount of money. He thought that let me then, work towards this acumen, this business acumen. And then he started working towards that. Days passed, weeks passed, months passed, years passed. And he became the foodstuff owner of many foodstuff markets and many foodstuff places. Business was going quite good, and he had people working under him, and things were going very well. And but everything was quite raw. Like, it was not so technical like what we are having right now. But everything was going quite raw. As I am telling you, the story is a bit early, of a bit early stage. And one of his friends suggested that, okay, you're doing so good business, the way you are running your business, why don't you get it insured? He said, insured? Why? Say, tomorrow if something happens, you have foodstuff stores are there, godowns are there. If tomorrow something happens, you get an insurance amount. He said, okay, no problem. Send me the insurance agent tonight. So insurance agent शाम को उसके घर पे आता है, उससे बोलता है कि सर ये आपका डिटेल्स दीजिए, मुझे बिजनेस डिटेल्स दीजिए, कहाँ आपके क्या क्या फूड स्टफ्स है. तो he gave all the details, addresses and everything. Okay sir, please give me the email ID. आपका email ID दीजिए. He smiled, email ID? I still don't have any email ID. The insurance agent again smiled and said, सर आपको पता है आप इतने अच्छे बिजनेसमैन हैं, बट अगर आपके पास ईमेल आईडी होता तो क्या होता? He replied, हाँ मुझे पता है, अगर मेरे पास ईमेल आईडी होता तो मैं आज एक ऑफिस बॉय होता, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक क्लर्क बन जाता. Now, here comes in what I want to express, what I want to interpret. Never distrust your competencies. There might be things which you might not be knowing, and there is no harm in learning it also, but never have a question on what you are competent at. I want to say one thing. 90% of our life we spend in doing something which we don't like, okay, proving to those people who don't like us. Why we are wasting our time? Trust on your competencies, okay, what you are doing the best, do it appropriately. The other day I just saw a movie. It was about I think you all have also seen this movie on Hotstar. It was Shiddat. The movie had a very beautiful scene between Sunny Kaushal and Radhika Madan. It was that, she was unable to swim well, and they both were sports persons, and he was telling that, why you can't swim? Because you are overweight. And she was, getting offended. Why? How can you tell that I am overweight? He said, you have the weight of the pressure, the weight you are carrying of how other people will perform, and will I be able to perform like them or not? You stop enjoying your swimming. You stop enjoying what you want to do. So when you stop enjoying what you want to do, that thing becomes a weight on you. So it's very important to learn new things. It's very important to get with the trend and all those things. And you should be having a Facebook account, an Insta account, and Twitter account, and whatever you are having it's fine, But people who are not having it, don't consider them dumb. They are also equally respectful. They are also equally talented. Okay, and they have their own competencies. So please, trust your own competencies, okay, and work strongly towards it, okay, to achieve success in your life. Competencies will be there with you forever. Don't lose your own competencies in lieu of learning something which you really don't like or which you cannot do it. आज का वीडियो इतना ही दोस्तों. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा. इफ यू लाइक इट, प्लीज शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, ओके. और लास्ट टाइम मैं बताना भूल गया था, कोरोना से हम लड़ रहे हैं. कोरोना चला नहीं गया है, हमें उसे फिर से आने नहीं देना है. तो प्लीज तब तक के लिए, भले ही आप वैक्सीनेटेड हैं, मास्क लगा के रखिए, सोशल डिस्टेंस बना के रखिए. ओके, जय हो.